The CIL logo. A man sits in a chair indoors.
I'm Joshua, and I am the Assistive Technology Specialist with the Center for Independent Living. So our disability awareness training is an interactive workshop where we really try to help people change their perspectives and their approach to the topic of disabilities. We notice that there's a lot of hesitation and misconceptions surrounding the topic, and we really want to alleviate the stress from people so they can feel as comfortable as possible interacting with people with disabilities and not see their disability as the main aspect of their life, but just one characteristic of who they are. If you were to come to a disability awareness training, depending on the venue that CIL and the group we're working with agrees upon, we would have maybe 3 to 4 stations. One station would be where we come together as a large group before and after the training, where we talk about the mission for CIL and the mission for the disability awareness training. And we also have our closing thoughts and questions at the end. We also have a section for wheelchairs, where we talk about wheelchair etiquette, wheelchair parts, and get a chance to jump in a wheelchair to really experience how they function and be able to play some wheelchair basketball if the space allows. We also have an assistive technology station where people will be able to talk about and test different devices, ranging from low-tech devices like magnifiers, going all the way up to more advanced high-tech options. And the last section that we typically do is our blind and low vision section, where people will learn about blindness. They'll learn how people who are blind or visually impaired, the adaptive techniques they use to be independent and navigate their space. And we also learn about human guiding, which is where a person will be guiding and navigating with somebody who has some type of vision loss. I really enjoy people shift from being shy and hesitant to ask questions, to test out the different devices. Then by the end of the workshop, they're very enthusiastic, they're interested, and they're wanting to learn more and experience more. So if anyone is interested in doing a disability awareness training or DAT, there are 3 options to reach out. You can reach us on our main line at 510-841-4776. You can email us at dat@thecil.org, or you can visit our website at thecil.org/dat.
Fade out. The CIL logo.